Hey, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? My name is Gary Bledsoe from whoisgarybledsoe.com, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing from one of my favorite. I know I'm all the way over here. I'm over pointing over this way. I'm leaving this space because I want to show you exactly what I want to show you. But I'm coming to you to show you an unboxing from one of my favorite companies out there for men's subscription, clothing subscription, boxes or whatever you guys want to, bags, whatever you guys want to call it. And it's from Menlo Club. I really, truly love Menlo Club. I had a lot of other companies, but none of them quite, I'm kind of a little bit bigger, I'm an older guy, I'm up in age, and I still feel good, still feel healthy, but none of them quite hit the fit like I like. I'm not into these young styles with the whole tight pants stuff and all that. I'm not into all that. I'm grew up in the hip hop era. I grew up in the South Bronx, and I've been living there for majority of my life, and I really don't like that fashion. I'm more into the 90s type of fashion, not too baggy, but now with the regular fit on my jeans, my pants, my shirts gotta hit right. They can't be too, I'm not too tall, so they can't hit too long. But Menlo Club, for some reason, they always hit my spot right. I ordered from other companies. They were either too tight, too long, too big, too baggy, and I didn't like them. So I want to show you this unboxing from them for this past month, and I really love them. You guys need to take a chance on just trying a box, go and taking a look at it. I think if you go to my link, I think your first box will be like half price. I know that is $60 a month, and they give you a good amount of clothes that you can pair up. And if you get like a year's worth of, not buy a year's worth, buy a year's worth, but if you buy them every so often, you can start a sort of like mix and match the styles, and it's really I wear some of the stuff that I got in another month with the stuff that I got in the past month, and I throw on some Nike Air Force Ones, and it just hits really right, and I feel real comfortable, especially being a guy up in age, and still feeling kind of young, still feeling kind of like out there in the now, and I really like the way that they have me together. And also, I'm part of another subscription. It's called T Blocks. And I love T Blocks. I don't have any links for T Blocks, but I love that they gave me this one this past month. Superman is one of my favorite. I'm a comic book person, and Superman is one of my favorite characters. And I love this shirt. I love it. It's purple. Purple is like my logo for whoisgarybledsoe.com. So if you want to know about Menlo Club, and you really take a look at this unboxing, and you like the stuff that's in there, maybe take a chance on looking at the next month's subscription box, and maybe try it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. And what I love about Menlo Club is the first or the second day of the month, they usually put out a video. It's from this guy named D. I love his videos. He put his video out, and his video kind of gives you a preview of what it is that you're gonna get. And if you don't like it, you can actually pause your subscription, or if you don't like it, you can cancel if you don't want to. But I would just pause it, maybe wait for the next month to see what it's all about. Now, I'm not sure what this month is about. I think this month is about Grand AC. I love their Grand AC products because they kind of encourage you to go out there and exercise, go out there and work out, go out there and do something spontaneous. So without further ado, I want to keep going on. I'm going to go ahead and start this unboxing. All right, I got the bag in the mail. I'm not going to give you my address, but here it is right here, Menlo Club. All right, let me go ahead on, open it up with the trusty knife. I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to cut any of the clothes. Like I told you, I'm to the side because I want you guys to take a look at exactly. I'm going to try to hold it up the best I can. I don't like to do any type of try-ons or anything. You'll see it if you go to my Instagram and go to my Facebook. You'll see it. The links will be there. Also, if you want to get your box, your subscription, go ahead and don't hesitate. It's whoisgarybledsoe.com. The link will be in the description /gear and the number 2. So it's gear, GEAR2, and go and take a look at it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this stuff out. Look, oh yeah, give me some. Oh yeah, let me pull this stuff out. Let me put it over here. Uh-oh, I just dropped something. Hold on. Give me a second. Sorry, I had to go. Looks like they sent me a sample of liquid. Let me see. Take a look. Liquid IV hydration. I guess gonna read that and see what I need to do with it. Put it in some water. Go out there and get some hydration. Especially living out here in Texas, in San Antonio, Texas, very, very hot. But without further ado, let's go ahead. It looks like they gave me some slides. I like these. Let me pull them out. Let me see what color they got. Let's see here. Okay, let me pull them out. And they say Grand AC. I'm gonna show you all this. Hold on, everybody. Just be patient. Let me pull them out. Get these little sticker things out of here. Let me get my cut on here. Got my cut on. Hold on, let me. Oh, these are nice. Look, I'm gonna show you these slides. Give me a pair of slides. They have a little Grand AC. See it right there? Oh, those are pretty nice. Something to wear around the house. You know, I like them. They're pretty nice. I'm gonna throw them on the floor here. Ooh, you heard that, right? All right, let's go on to the next item. Those look like they were some kind of moss green or something. They gave me some shorts. Look, Grand AC shorts. Little pocket in the back. Look, little pocket in the back. I like the drawstrings. I can use these if I want to go out, take out the garbage in the morning or in the evening, go for a little run. Go for whatever it is that I want to go for, like to go exercise, a nice pair of shorts. They also gave me this nice hat. I like this. Look at this. Let's throw that on real quick. Let's take a look. Let's take a look and see how. Woo! Check that out. Oh, I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Turn to the side. I like that. Pretty cool. Got that. I'll just shape it up a little bit. Throw that down. Then they gave me this nice gray shirt to go along with it. Hold on, let me pull it up. Pull it on. Look. Boom. Look at that. What you think? What you think? What you think? I like this little shirt. I think it says Grand AC. I like that they have their own in-house brand. Let me see if they have anything. Usually they have like a little logo on the side. I guess, oh, yes they do. They always have these 4 little dots. You see those 4 dots? I like that. That's how you know it's Grand ACC, because Menlo Club is not just a club, it's a community. And that's what I like about it. It's a whole bunch of guys getting together and, you know, going out there and building their wardrobe. And that's what I really like about it. So let's put this all together. Let's take a look. I'm gonna put this here. Boom, boom. Hook up the eyeballs right there real quick. Put that on. Boom. Over the Superman shirt. Boom. We like just deuces on ab like this. Boom. You guys need to check out Menlo Club. It's a good way to build your wardrobe. $60 a month. Have someone come out there, show you some of their fashions. And let me tell you what I like about Menlo Club so much. What I like about them. Their quality is unbelievable. Their quality is super, man. I mean, I wear some of their, I got last month I got some t-shirts. Oh my gosh, they are so buttery soft, so smooth, and they feel so good. You know, you could throw them on, go to the movies with them, feel comfortable. It could be a plain tee. It's not, most of them are not printed like how T-Blocks is. It's not printed, but it's like plain, and their stuff is buttery, smooth, buttery soft. You will like it, I guarantee. So go to whoisgarybledsoe.com/gear2 so you can get your gear started for the year. Try something, finish up the last of the year, get you a couple of sets of these Grand AC. They also do 5-4 Club. Oh man, that stuff is unbelievable. I still wear, matter of fact, I got a pair of their 5-4 shorts on right now. Not these shorts here, but I got a pair. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna try all of these tattoos on and throw on my Grand AC slides. Rocking, looking good, you see? You need to try it. whoisgarybledsoe.com/gear2. Guarantee you won't be disappointed. See you all at the top.